This is a beautiful fighter fish, better fish, fighter fish, and beautiful fish. The imported fish, the show fish, beta fighter fish. This is imported fighter fish. This is color is pink blue color. In the Siamese fighter fish, the commonly known the beta is a fighter freshwater fish native to South Asia, namely Colombia, Laos, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, and Vietnam. It is all 670 species of the genuine betas, but the only implement molecule called beta. Owing to this global popularly, the beta splendors are among the most popular aquarium fish in the world. Due to their diverse and colorful morphology and relative low maintenance. Siamese fighting fish are endemic to the central plain in the Thailand. Water they were first domesticated at the least 1,000 years ago. Among the longest of any fish, they were instantly bred for circumcisions and subject to the glamping matches in the cooking fighting. Beta became known outside Thailand through King Ramya. Beta are well known for being highly terrorists. The males from the attacking each other if houses in the same tank without a means of the escape to actually result in the death of both of the fish. Female betas can be also the territorial towards another in the confidence space. This is fighting fish is a history of the information of this, especially how and when Siamese fighting fish were first domesticated and brought out of Asia is a sparse. Genetic analysis implies domestication at least 1,000 years ago. Additional evidence from DNA sampling suggests that betas may have been bred for fighting since the 13th century. Over time, this led to the diverse genetics of modern domestic and wild betas. These same people in Malaysia and Thailand are known to have collected wild betas at least by the 19th century, observing their aggressive nature and pitting them against each other in the glamping matches, asking to the cook fighting. In the wild, beta spare for only a few minutes before one fish related. The aquarium fish, beta splendors first entered the Western aquarium trade in the late 19th century. The earliest known arrival is the 187 for the France, when this is my favorite fish and fighting fish is my fish. Thank you all. See you all the best of the thank you. Welcome. Okay.